Meanwhile, at Seaside Plumbing, Josh has some exciting news for Lauren.
Lauren, the guy said yes.
Which guy said yes? And to what?
The plumbers agreed to pose for your calendar.
Josh, the plumbers already posed for the calendar.
I mean, for next year.
But that's so many months away.
And I got the new guys, too.
Which new guys?
The plumbing apprentices we hired last month.
You asked the new guys?
It's always so much fun. And besides, we can always use some new models. Let's give our customers what they really want.
You really enjoy getting the team involved, don't you?
So much. Makes everyone look forward to coming to work.
Even when there's a sewer line backup to fix?
Well, no one is excited to clean up a broken sewer line, but our plumbers always take on the challenge.
Speaking of a challenge, did we help Mrs. Wilson get those army men out of her toilet?
Oh shoot, let me see how that's coming along.
In a sea of ordinary, choose extraordinary. Visit callseasideplumbing.com. Licensed in Delaware and Maryland.